Most Americans are losing thousands of dollars every year, and they don't even realize it. It's not because they're bad with money. It's because of a few tiny credit card mistakes that add up fast. Mistake number 1, carrying a balance. If you don't pay your card in full every month, you're paying interest that can hit 20 to 30%. That's like lighting your money on fire. Mistake number 2, only paying the minimum. That minimum payment is a trap. It can turn a $1,000 purchase into years of payments, and hundreds of dollars in interest. Mistake number 3, missing payments. One late payment can hurt your credit score and trigger late fees and higher interest rates. Set autopay. Even the minimum is better than missing a payment. Mistake number 4, using the wrong cards. Card for the wrong purchase. Some cards give you cash back on groceries, others on gas or travel. If you're not matching your spending to rewards, you're leaving free money on the table. Mistake number 5, too many applications. Mistake number 5, applying for too many cards too fast. Every application can ding your credit score. Slow down. Be strategic. Here's the simple fix: pay your balance in full. Turn on autopay. Use cards with rewards you actually earn, and only apply when it makes sense. If this helped, follow for more money tips that can save you thousands every year.